Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is, this is vinegar in here. You do not want to wash your hands with soap and water and then go touching your SCOBY. You'll kill it. It can't do the soap. So it needs vinegar. That's how you disinfect everything, and you put everything that will touch your SCOBYs into the vinegar and you wash with that. So I'm gonna get this nice and wet. You can do vinegar and water. So I'm gonna soak my hands in here, get them nice and wet, get them disinfected. Sorry, this is gonna be kind of long because I don't really have a way to do this. So, all right, I have a ponytail on my arm, so I'm actually gonna take that off. And I usually wash up halfway up my arm, because just in case I'm touching anything else. So let me get this off. All right, so I wet my arms here. Sorry that the video is not showing you anything special. Here, I'll try to get myself in there. Hi. All right, so I'm washing my arms here, nice and wet. All right, and I'm just gonna let those drip. Now, I'm safe to touch my SCOBY. So, like you can see here, I don't know if you can see the line, there's a lighter part on the top. That's all brand new. And right now it won't separate. I can't get my fingers in there, so don't rip them apart if they won't separate. When they're ready, they'll do it on their own. So here's a separate SCOBY here. See, that's separating really easy. They're not pretty, but you can pull them apart. See, brand new SCOBY right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, oh, one more thing. When you do a ferment, you're gonna end up with spots like this. If they're brown like that, a lot of times it's just like, that's a hole in the SCOBY, so it was the bottom one coming through. A lot of times you'll end up with these little dark spots, and what it is the tea, like you've got a little fleck of something in there. Unless you've got fuzz growing, that's mold. You definitely want to throw that out. Other than that, you're usually pretty safe. These things are pretty hefty. They hold up to a lot. So, and you can see like the underneath ones, some of them come out looking like this. And so yeah, that's not mold, it's just normal. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little spoon out here. I'm gonna dump you're disinfecting your bowl with the vinegar too. So now I'm gonna dump that. This is kind of a no-no. You're not supposed to use metal, but I've never had an issue with it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my SCOBYs, let them hang dry, drip a little bit, and then I'm gonna start putting them in here. You just need them out of your way. And I have a lot in here. And really, like, no, Sophia. Okay, so that's actually a pretty good size SCOBY. That would be enough for this entire 2-gallon jar. And so if you have extras and lots, you can just keep them. It's gonna make your stuff ferment a lot faster, or you can give them away. Just be sure to give them away with, you need one cup of starter tea, this stuff right here that's already fermented. 1 cup per gallon. So this is a 2-gallon jar, so I need a SCOBY plus 2 cups of the starter tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, but what I'm doing is I'm just taking all my SCOBYs out and I'm gonna put them in my bowl here. And then I will show you this. I'm gonna take my ladle, and this is a 1-cup ladle, so I'm gonna put 2 scoops from each jar into there, because this is my starter tea for my next batch. All right, I'll be back with another video in just a minute.